thank you for joining in, and for today's video I have another small art supply haul here. This one is some affordable art supplies here from the dollar store. And I have in the past picked up a few canvases, but I noticed this time around they had a few different sizes to choose from. This one is new. This is a 6x8, where the little one on top here is a 5x7. And I also noticed that this is a different brand than the other one I purchased as well. So I wanted to see, they look pretty much the same, but again, I wanted to see if there was any difference. And again, I was definitely interested in more sizes, because the first time it was just the 5x7 and the 8x10s are on the bottom. So the 6x8 is new, and again, it does have like a little bit of a lip on the inside so you can hang it up on the wall, which is always really nice. And the 8x10s are just the flat boards instead of like these that are the stretched canvases. So I will definitely be testing them out. And this time around they actually had these sketchbooks. It says artist line, and they're suitable for pencil, charcoal, crayon, and pen. So they're 9 inches by 6 inches, 50 sheets, and again, it's just sketching paper. And then there's a little diagram here of different things you can do with charcoal. So I did pick up a few of these. And also here there's some gel pens. These are retractable. Let's see, comfort grip. The little protector there. Okay, and I wanted to test out this paper here. Ooh, that is nice. That's nice and dark. Dark and smooth. When using these though, give it a few seconds there to dry. You don't want to just put it down and then accidentally smear it. Ooh, these are nice pens. ProMarks Gel. What's the name of those? I also wanted to see here. We're going to see what shows through this paper and what doesn't. So that's going to be my little demonstration here really quick. Okay, let's just see. Well, there was very little transfer. The only tiny bit that I see was a little bit from this marker. The Sharpie you could barely see. Well, I was just curious. This paper is, it's very thin and smooth. And again, it doesn't claim to be a mixed media paper. It's definitely not for watercolor or anything like that. So again, just with your regular sketching pencil. This one is some Vine charcoal. The Sharpie was actually fine, like we said here. There was no show through whatsoever. And then the ink too. You could barely see it. This is a heavy ink too. Yeah, these are actually really nice. I expected more to show through on the paper there. So overall, they're really nice, and definitely great for beginners, or maybe you're just, sketching out something really quick, or demonstrations. I use these sketchbooks for a wide variety of things. And again, these pens. The ink in these is really nice. It's nice and dark, that juicy ink. And I don't remember, they probably had the standard like black and blue as far as colors go with those. And I will keep you updated. You can make sure to subscribe and like the video. I will be posting more reviews and demonstrations when I actually use these canvases, and perhaps doing a comparison video between the two different brands. So that's something that you can check back for. And thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.